Let's start. Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and today I am talking about how to get over the fear of phone while prospecting, while calling your prospects. So I have few tips for you. They are really good tips and I use them. I have been using them for the past 1 year, and so let's start. Number one tip is, let me check that everything is all right over here, and I'll be starting in 1 second. So my number one tip is schedule your calls. How do I schedule? I schedule on a spiral notebook. I have a spiral yellow notebook. I write over there all my calls with all the numbers, so that sometime when I feel like calling and my cell phone is dying, and then it's good I use my landline to call. So sometimes I schedule on my phone, and usually I schedule on my spiral yellow notebook, so that everything is handy whenever I want to call. So sometime when I feel like calling, then maybe the cell phone, the battery is dying down, and I prefer doing on the yellow spiral notebook, but you can do on either on your phone. Schedule the call on your phones, then you can call right away from the phone, and or either you can schedule on the piece of paper, yellow spiral notebook, or anywhere you feel like writing. So you can schedule. That is tip number one, schedule your call. And tip number two is create a distraction while you call them, and the phone is ringing, at the other end it's ringing, and it's gonna cause a little bit of anxiety in you. So create a distraction. Over here on my wall, I have a wall calendar. On the wall calendar, I have all positive affirmations, and I have a desk calendar over here. On my desk calendar, I have positive affirmations, and sometime on the sticky notes, I like some quote and I put it over there, and something funny I put it there on the wall. So while I'm on the phone and it's ringing, and somebody is listening on the other end, and then I am looking at all those positive affirmations or something funny which I put on a sticky note. So that way I create a distraction from when somebody is taking time to pick on the other end. So I am staying all positive, and that way creating a distraction keeps you all positive and free of anxiety. So number three tip is practice. Sometime we think, oh, when we are going to call, what other person is going to think? Maybe we are disturbing them, or they are not interested, or maybe they think this opportunity is not good for them. So maybe that kind of negative thoughts cross our mind when we are calling on the phone our prospect. So how do you stop that? Practice. Practice in the mirror with all the positive outcome. Suppose you are calling, hey, how are you? This is Sarabjit Sandhu, and imagine at the other end the person is jumping, oh my god, thank you for calling me, and I am interested in your opportunity. Something like that. Go and practice in the mirror with all the positive outcome and with all the positive words. So when you practice that, you have opened neuro channels of positivity, of the positive outcome, and that really works. So practice in the mirror with all the positive words, with all the positive outcomes. That is my tip number three. So these are three tips you can get over the fear of phone. Number one is schedule your calls, and number two is create a distraction while you're calling, and number three is practice in the mirror with all the positive words and all the positive outcomes. So those are my three tips for today, how you can get over the fear of phone. And that is my life for today, and thank you for watching.